Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I will show you the most easiest drawing, digital drawing in Procreate. So I have roughly sketch. This is a cartoon face. You can check it out. And roughly you have to draw first, and I'm going to use a Baskerville brush. Okay, so make sure you have to draw the sketch. Pencil sketch will be in one layer and the color will be a different layer. You can, for this kind of easy drawing for beginners, I can suggest you go for like a couple of layers. So one layer for the colors, one layer for the drawing. Or if you want to draw any if you're going to use multiple colors, you can try to create a different layer, like a couple of layers more as well. That's not a problem. But as you can see, after complete the sketch, I have deselect the sketch layer, and just to make sure you have to draw properly. And it's a roughly sketch for beginners who is try to draw digitally in iPad or tablet, or wants to use how to use Procreate. They can easily draw this kind of painting. So this is for only beginners. So if you can check, I have first I'm going to use the outline using this color. Like I'm using dark dark maroon color for outline, and I'm going to drag the color from the color palette. Color, as you can check it out, like which color your reference picture, you can use that color, or else if you want to use a different color, you can use it. That's not a problem. So if you can check, I have the outline is completed. I have deselect the sketch brush, and I'm going to just drag the dark color first. Then I'm going to use the color, because I'm going to use couple of colors here, green and light yellow, then I'm going to use a little bit red, what I can, pink, dark pink as well. So if you can check properly, I've just dragged the color in one layer. Second layer, one is the sketch layer, another one is, I told you, I'm going to use two layers for that. So you can just create it and just drag the color. But if you are going to use a different layer for the different color, you have to create each and every layer for the color wise. So don't need to, you have to, for example, if you are going to use another layer 3 for the layer, for example, color yellow, or a yellow type green. So for that reason, you can use it you have to draw with the color outline. You should be draw with that same color, then you can drag the color. So I'm not using that kind of things. I'm using the outline and drag the color. That's it, because it's the easiest drawing for our beginners who is try to draw Procreate. And I have completed. Thank you so much for watching this video.